Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete a Facebook account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your Facebook app and make sure you're signed in with your correct account. Now right afterwards, go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top right and tap on this gear icon on top and simply tap on this account center given option, and now simply go ahead, tap on this option of personal details, and right over here you will find this option of account ownership and control. Tap on it, tap on this deactivation or deletion option, choose your Facebook account from over here, toggle this delete account option, tap on continue, and now again tap on this continue option, choose a reason why you would like to, tap on continue, and now this kind of interface gonna pop up. Simply go ahead, scroll down to the bottom, again tap on continue. You can choose to transfer info as well. Once you have done so, simply go ahead, type in the password of your Facebook account. Once you're done, tap on continue and you will be able to simply delete your Facebook account likewise over here, and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.